my name's Alexis. I'm 26 years old. I'm a part-time, almost full-time reseller through Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, ThredUP, and now Poshmark. I do sell at buy-sell trade stores like Buffalo Exchange and Plato's Closet and some local consignment shops. If you haven't seen my first unboxing of this rare, and it's rare to me, and I think the unboxing community, the ThredUP unboxing community, this Rent the Revive, Rent the Runway 4-piece unboxing. This is not a DIY rescue box. All of these pieces should not have rips, tears, buttons missing, hello. But they were $25 each. If you want to check out the first part, where I unboxed the first two, I was supposed to get DIY designer boxes today. I was not expecting these, so I'm in a hurry. I'm about to go to work, which I'm about to leave to be a full-time reseller. The first ones came in like regular, you know, the medium-sized boxes. Then I got two of these, and I was like, did I order jewelry? So these are also, I'm assuming, the Revive Rent the Runway 4-piece boxes. Let's get into it. The first boxes weren't that bad. I got a Reformation dress and a Derek Lam dress, and the other ones, I still have to look up the brands. But I was like, let me just open all of them right now. The anticipation. I can't wait. I'll be at work thinking about them until I come home to open them. Okay, all of these came from Suwanee, Georgia. Again, it's odd, like, I don't know how I feel that they put my $100 clothes into this small box, but hopefully they're good. Okay, I'm hoping for another Reformation Chrissy Dawn. Okay, maybe some Anthropology. It's not too hard to ask, right? Okay, so is that what this is? And again, I'm gonna look up all of these brands because I don't know if I've had this brand before. I've heard of it. This is so beautiful. Size 2 seems to be the standard. I did get a size 10 dress though. Has all the buttons and snaps. This is really pretty. And it has like eyelet detail. No elastic on the sleeve. It's like polyester. Really pretty. It's like silk. Okay. Ooh, you know what? I might have to message him about a couple of things because to me, like this right here, that's a DIY ThredUP. That's a DIY. But silk, it's fragile. Ooh, no. This is definitely a DIY. ThredUP. What brand is this? I didn't even see the brand. Okay, but I'm gonna message them and be like, listen, I paid $25 each for this. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. These are some Theory khakis in like a burnt orange. They are like spandex. Here's the thing. I find Theory at my Goodwill, and if you look at the ThredUp website, life hack, if your heart has been desiring some Theory, you can find it for $3.99 on ThredUp. Just go to Theory, price, low to high, Proenza, Scholar. This dress. I'm glad all these sizes aren't like size 2 though. That does make me happy. Black dress, stretchy. And this detail at the bottom. Next box. Wow. Thea. Pink. Ooh, this is so pretty. Size 4. Off the shoulder. maxi dress, formal wear, has a beautiful slit. Wow, this is gorgeous. Also, I got a new ring light. I'm trying to test different things. Sorry about the background. I'm still trying to like figure everything out. I'm trying to upgrade for you guys, okay? Because I love you. I love the 90 of you that watch my videos. Chelsea Walker, size 0, but it has all of the buttons. This is beautiful. Size 0 though. So beautiful. This is long sleeve. Wow, wow, wow. And it's like kind of peplum at the bottom. Oops. Ramy Brook, size small. Joggers, very sheer joggers, silk joggers. Elastic at the bottom. That. Okay, you can see through those. And the last thing, ooh. Okay, Rebecca Taylor. This is a cute dress. So small though, size 2, leopard print, cheetah print, whatever. Has the buttons, cinches in at the waist, flows out. This must be a very flowy dress for it too, because I'm definitely not too. And okay, and this has buttons down here, zips down, cinches in. That is cute. Okay, well, that wraps up my Rent the Runway boxes. I randomly got those again. I honestly don't search for rescue boxes. I'll randomly go on. Like I said, I do still have a job until this Thursday. It's my first day that I'm free. But like I said, in my free time, I'll just go on. Honestly, my favorite box is the women's 25 piece. I get some gems there and they're only like $2 and some change, and I make good money off of those. So those are my favorite ones. I just don't do unboxings because I feel like they're tedious, you know? And like half of the brands are like, eh. But that was in the 4-piece. I'm definitely gonna message them about a couple of items. To me, that silk shirt with the rip at the bottom, that should have been in the 10-piece box, and I should have paid $10 for that. No matter the brand. Like, no one wants to buy a ripped shirt. That's that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video so more people can see this unboxing, and I'll see you guys later.